Hi friends, welcome back to Brick. So sorry for late videos. So as I had my exam, so I could not upload the videos daily. So today in this video, I've made a whole new Lego bike servicing center, and this kit can open and close. So let me give you the tour of this whole bike servicing center. It's very cool. So now let's get started. So first we have, and yeah, did you notice Alex hairstyle has changed? It's changed so much actually. Here we have the opening and closing door. So the mechanic that I use is one of these pieces which can take the doors open and close. So yes, now let me show you from the interior. Wait a second guys. Oh my gosh. So yeah, now let me show you. So here we have the bike. I have the Lego set, the Scorpion's Lego set, and yeah, I've used this road plate here for the roof, and we have a small light for the interior, yeah. Then here we have the tools used and everything. Then here we have petroleum and gas. Then here we have all the helmets, then the tires of the bikes. Then here we have the sitting area. And then yeah, here we have one of those minifigures. And here we have a cute little chicken. Then yeah, here we have the control of opening and closing of this door. Then yeah, when you come from here, we have this parking symbol. And yeah, here we have some space. And then we remove this minifigure. One second. Then here we have some letters and the screws. And here we have money and some screws. Here I've used carrot leaves pieces for the screws, yeah. Little big guys. And yeah, here we have the bike. And for standing the bike, I have used these pieces here. And these are my custom made minifigures that I went from the Lego store and bought it. Then yeah, the windows make a whole new level of building from here. And yeah, I've shown these colorful to show the paintings that we have. So yeah, of course. So guys, if you like my video, please do share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. Thank you.